Normality. Normality means the number of gram equivalents present in 1 liter of solution. The number of gram equivalents present in 1 liter of solution is called normality. This is a simple definition. Normality. Second point, it is denoted by capital N. It is denoted by capital N. Third point, normality capital N is equal to number of gram equivalents present in 1 liter of solution. Volume in liters. It is also can be written number of gram equivalents present in volume in ml milliliter into 1000. This is mathematical way we can explain. N is equal to gram equivalents formula W by gram equivalent weight, W by GEW into volume in liter. Suppose volume in liter you can take 1 by V. This is the formula. Otherwise you want to express in terms of volume in ml, then the formula is W by GEW into 1000 by V in ml, volume in ml, milliliters. So the final formula of normality we can use for calculation. Normality equal to W by GEW into 1000 by V in ml. This formula important for calculation point of view. While problem solving we can use this formula. Here what is the meaning of W? W means weight of solute. That means given substance. GEW means gram molecular weight. GEW means gram equivalent weight. Gram equivalent weight. It is calculated. Gram equivalent weight calculated. Gram equivalent weight GEW is equal to gram molecular weight GMW by N factor. This N factor for an acid is equal to basicity. For basic substance N factor is equal to acidity. For salts N factor is equal to the charge and cation or anion. Okay. Next, one more important point is here normality dependent on temperature. Normality dependent on temperature, because there is a volume factor. Normality generally decreases with respect to increase in temperature. Normality decreases with respect to increase in temperature. And finally, units of normality. Units. As earlier you discussed, no, the formula itself says that the units of normality equal to number of gram equivalents per liter. Number of gram equivalents per liter. These are the units of normality. Okay, my dears. Normality means, once again I repeat, the number of gram of solution is called normality. It is denoted by capital N. The N equal to number of gram equivalent present in a volume in 1 liter. If you want to express volume in terms of milliliter, the number of gram equivalents by volume in milliliter into 1000. The final formula, normality, N equal to W by GEW into 1000 by V in ml. Now W is equal to weight of solute, that means given substance. Gram equivalent weight, the gram equivalent weight calculated from gram molecular weight and N factor. So gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight by N factor. Normality is independent on temperature as like molarity. So normality decreases with respect to increase in temperature. Next, coming to the units of normality. Normality as number of gram equivalent per liter. This is units of normality. Thank you.